Our project today is to uh, fix the rotted area found in the bottom of the trim, and the solution here is to replace the wood. I started the job without videoing it in the beginning, so I already cut this. And what tool did I use? It's not reciprocating saw, but this tool right here. It's really easy to use. I got this from Home Depot. It cost around $109. Very useful. I started prying out the wood, and as you can see, it's rotted at the bottom. So I'll continue to pry out the wood, and then I will be back. The trim is completely pried out. The next step is sand this, clean this area, and then get the measurement so we can buy a new trim with the same size. And I will also need to assess before replacing this if I need to replace this side as well. As you can see, there is rotting on this side of the trim as well. Wow. And this is how it looks like on this side, and it looks like I will go ahead and cut this trim. To cut this trim, I started with identifying which part I need to cut, and then draw a line to ensure that is level. And then I use this to score. And this will help create a guide when I start using my cutting tool. Okay, so it looks like I scored the trim deep enough, so I'm gonna start using this. The trim is completely cut. Let's pull it out. The plywood is 30 to 40% rotted. So the next step here is we're gonna sand this, make it flat and flush, and then we're going to apply Bondo, and then sand it again, and then prime it, and then apply caulking or sealant to ensure that this wood is protected from moisture before we install the new trim. We have completed sanding. I will start smoothing this area, clean it up, and then apply bando and then sand it again to make it flash and flat to cover all this uneven surface. I'll be using this bando for patching. You will need a spatula, a cardboard, and the stirrer for mixing the bando and the hardener. And I placed a wood underneath the trim to keep the bando in place. I will start this area first, and when this is dry and completed, then we're gonna do this side. We are now mixing the bando with the hardener. This is the hardener. And then after we mix this, then we're gonna start patching. The first layer of patching has completed. The bottom area here is completely covered. There used to be rotting and a big hole or gap underneath, and now it's completely covered and flashed. I am now waiting for this to dry, and then I will apply another layer of bando and then sand it. We have completed spackling bando on both sides of the trim. Next step is sanding. I have completed sanding both sides of the wood, and it is smooth, level, and all patches were covered. So we are ready to install the new trims. Please click the link on the upper left of your screen to go to the part 2 of this project. Thank you.